Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I would like to share with you the facts for receiving and the caregiver regarding about the vaccines, the Moderna COVID-19 vaccines. So I understand that some people may be concerned about getting the vaccinate now. That since the COVID-19s are available in the United States. So here is the information that I got uh, from the CDCs. So I would like to share with you the moderate COVID-19 vaccines. The first facts I would like to tell you is this one is help you to prevent the coronavirus disease 2019, or they call it COVID-19, caused by SARS-CoV-2. And at this moment, there is no U.S. Food or Drug Administration approved these vaccines to prevent the COVID-19 yet. The FDA has authorized these medicines or these vaccines for the emergency use only to prevent the COVID-19 for individuals 18-year-olds and older. And also for these vaccines, you will administer a 2-dose series. First one, when you get it, and then the second dose will be like 1 month apart, and it's into your muscle. Again, this moderate COVID-19 vaccine may not protect you or anyone from the COVID to get the COVID-19. It just prevent, not protect. So that's it, the differences. And who should get the moderate COVID-19 vaccines? So you should not get the COVID-19 vaccine if you have the severe allergic reaction after the previous dose of these vaccines. And also, if you have a severe allergic reaction to any ingredients of these vaccines. So that is the two major things that you should not get the moderate COVID-19 vaccines. So what should you mention to your vaccines provider before you get the Moderna COVID-19 vaccines? Definitely, you have to tell them your medical condition, including if you have any allergies, if you have any fever, if you have bleeding disorder, or are you on the blood thinner medication, or your immune no compromise, or your medicine that affect your immune system, or if you pregnant or you plan to become a pregnant, or if you are breastfeeding, or even like if you already receive another COVID-19 vaccines. So those things you need to tell your doctor or the medical provider when you come to get the vaccines. Another question asking is, how's the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine will giving? So they will giving to you by inject into your muscle, and you get 2 doses. Each one will be 1 month apart. And when you receive the first dose of the vaccines, you should get the same vaccines in a month later to complete the vaccination series. Make sure you have to keep you have to get the same vaccine name don't change it, okay? So you need to come back to the same location when they give you the appointment. Another question is people asking is, what are the benefits of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccines? So at this moment is ongoing clinical trial according to the CDC, and the Moderna COVID-19 vaccines have been sold that to help people prevent the COVID-19 following 2 doses, and then each dose giving 1 month apart. Currently, they don't know is how long it can protect you. There is no data to show that yet. So that's why make sure to protect yourself by keep the mask on, wash your hands regularly, hand sanitizer, stay away from the crowd, 6 feet apart for social distance. And what are the risks of these vaccines? So the side effects have been reported so far for these vaccines. In general, side effects, you will get the fracture, headache, muscle pain, joint pain, chill, nausea, vomitings, and fever. That's in general side effects. But for injection site reactions, that means like where you get inject your vaccines, you get pain, tenderness, swellings of the limb, nodes in the same arm of the injection, or sometimes like it's turned into redness. So that is where you get the shot. But you also, sometimes the vaccines can cause a severe allergy reactions. Severe allergy reaction would usually occur within like few minutes to 1 hour after getting a dose of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccines. That's why like when you take the vaccines, right, your provider asks you to stay there after you receive it for them to monitor you. You know, they're asking you to stay at least an hour or a little bit longer so they can observe before you leave the site. And here is the side of the severe allergy reaction can include difficult reading, swelling your face and throat, you have a fast heart beating, you have a bad rash all over your body, dizzy and weakness. So there may be not all the possible side effects yet, you know, they record yet, but the serious and unexpected side effect may be occur. And then now like this vaccine is still being studied in the clinical trial. What should you do about the side effects? So if you experience a severe allergic reactions after you go home, the best thing is call 911 or go to the nearest hospital. You call the vaccination provider or your healthcare provider, your doctor, if you have any side effects that bother you or do not go away. You also can report the vaccine side effects to the FDA or CDC Vaccines Adverse Event Report System. They call the VAERS. And their number, I put it in here, is 1-800-822-7967. Again, the number is 1-800-822-7967. Or you can go online to the website vaes.hhs.gov/report-event.html. And then on the first line, you put like the name of the medicines, the vaccine that you took, like Moderna COVID-19 Vaccine, EUA. So when you put that, so they know exactly what is the side effects of what medication. So in addition to report that, you can also call another number directly to the Moderna Texas Inc. at 1-866-663-3762. So take a picture of this slide and save on your phone. So in case if you need it or your friend needs it, you can help to pass out the information. Also, they have another app called VSave. This VSave is the voluntary smartphone-based tool that use the text message and the web survey to check in with the people who have been vaccinated to identify the potential side effect after the COVID-19 vaccination. So they ask you, after you've done the test, the vaccines, they asking, do you want to install this, the VSave? So you can know exactly what is the VSave for, right? So on the VSave, they asking you a questions that have the CDC's monitor the safety of the COVID-19 vaccines. And also the VSave app also provide you a second dose reminder if needed and live telephone follow-up by CDC. If participants report a significant health impact following COVID-19 vaccination. To sign up for this, you can go to the cdc.gov website /VSave to get more information. So will this Moderna COVID-19 vaccine give you a COVID-19 if you get the shot? The answer is no. The Moderna COVID-19 vaccine does not contain the SARS-CoV-2 and cannot give you the COVID-19. So it's safe. So what happens after you're done? After you're done, they give you the vaccination card. Make sure you keep your vaccination card. It looks like this. And then when you go back for the second dose, make sure you bring that card with you and give it to, like, show it to them, to the provider or to whoever is give you the shot, so they can have the, they know and they aware that, okay, you already have the second one. This is your second one, and they put in the record for you. So thank you very much for listening. I hope this video is helpful to you and your families. Please click on like and share with your friend and family member, so they can be learning the new things and it's helping you for their knowledge too. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. If you are, this is the first time you coming to my channels, and thank you very much. I'm look forward to see you on the next video, and I will have another facts about another type of vaccines, so you can compare and know how this vaccine helping you, and pick which one is the best fit for you when you take the vaccines. Thank you and look forward to see you later. Bye.